guys, welcome back to Hill Hall Farm. Today I'll be showing you how chickens could grow. I know these are like meat chickens that we're going to eat, but over there are some chickens that I will show you. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, now we're at our egg layers. These are all our egg layers here. So some of them have 2 girls. That one over here, come. This one over here only has 1 because that girl in there fights that girl over there. And we also have guineas and ducks in that pen. And our goats are over there. Hi guys, so I am back and these are my goats. This is Kitty, my favorite goat. She was in a fair with me one time. And now we're going to get to a spot where coyotes can bite, but you see this big mat, it protects her back from getting bitten because all they bite is this huge mat.
So you don't want to cut them, right?
Yeah, you don't want to cut them.
What's that dog's name?
This is my best buddy. As you see, she will follow me. Okay guys, bye. That was the end of my video. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!